Hi guys, good morning. It's Tuesday. And right now, I'm in Bukit Gombak. No, this is Bukit Batok. But, together with, behind me is Bukit Gombak. Ito yung Little Gillian na sinasabi nila. Dito sa Bukit Gombak. Bukit Batok. So, iba yung Bukit Batok Nature Park. Doon yun sa kabila. If you want to be in a peaceful place, nature, then this is the right place for you to come and see our amazing God. Incredible, unchangeable, tips of my heart, and you know they're the same. You are amazing God. Okay. So it's only, doon sa nature park is maliit lang yung kanyang ganitong tubig. Dito is medyo malawak. Doon sa kabila is parang half lang. So let's explore the nature here in Bukit Batok. Let's go that side. And then we will walk going to the other side sa may nature parks din.